At number 4, we have the Ninja TB301. The TB301 excels with its powerful 1800 peak watt motor that effortlessly handles tough ingredients and ice. The blender features innovative blend sense technology that automatically adjusts speed and time for optimal blending results. Its 72-ounce pitcher accommodates large batches, while two 24-ounce single-serve cups with spout lids offer convenient portability. The control interface provides 10 variable speed settings and preset programs for precise blending control. The total crushing and chopping blade assembly effectively processes ingredients for smoothies, frozen drinks, and chopped vegetables. The unit includes thoughtful design elements like suction cups for stability and a release button for the pitcher lid. While the blender operates loudly, it compensates with exceptional performance. The dishwasher-safe components and wide pitcher opening make cleaning straightforward. The TB301 combines versatility, power, and intelligent features in a well-constructed package that delivers consistent professional quality results.